Are you still struggling with poor weld quality caused by zinc coating and low production efficiency? Welding studs on galvanized surfaces can be tricky. If the zinc layer isn't properly removed, welds may become weak or inconsistent, leading to costly rework and downtime. The new TATE CNC stud welding machine solves this problem with its integrated laser zinc removal system, which automatically and precisely cleans the galvanized layer before welding. This ensures every weld is strong, clean, and reliable, guaranteeing top-notch quality every time. Equipped with dual welding guns, the machine can weld different stud sizes simultaneously, saving you setup time and increasing flexibility. Plus, with its innovative dual station design, 2 work positions operate alternately, meaning your production line never has to stop. This combination of laser surface prep, dual gun welding, and continuous operation delivers unparalleled efficiency and weld strength, perfect for industries like metal enclosures, electrical cabinets, automotive parts, and elevator door panels. If you want to upgrade your welding process with cutting-edge automation and maximize output without compromising quality, the TATE CNC stud welding machine is the smart choice. Contact us at info@octate.com to learn more about this revolutionary solution.